One of the things when I was doing the research for the book, I was looking at that history of our Black midwives. They call them granny midwives and even doulas. And it's such an important history, but particularly midwifery, because women have been helping women deliver babies since the beginning of time. Women had that locked. And particularly if you look at these, what they call the granny midwives, the Black midwives, enslaved women who not just were delivering the babies for other enslaved women, but there were even white women, the mistress, right? The slave masters' wives were even requesting these granny midwives, these Black women, to help deliver their babies, because these women, they understood their role. It wasn't just kind of this medical role, right? But it was a spiritual role as well. So these midwives, they saw themselves actually as being kind of descendant from Shiphrah and Puah, the Hebrew midwives in the Old Testament text, because they were commanded by the Pharaoh at that time to kill the boy children, right? As soon as they were born, they were to kill the male child, that male baby. But Shiphrah and Puah, they were like, oh no, we aren't doing that. We are not about to kill these babies. So they let them live. And so they literally pushed back on, they resisted state-sanctioned violence, right? And so it's really powerful when you understand the Black midwives in our communities to see themselves as descended from that, right? Because these are the women who are saying, no, we have a spiritual duty to actually honor the gift of life in our little Black babies.